I've tried a lot of different rods throughout the years, and fished with a lot, and own a lot of different fly rods. And I'm very happy with a lot of the different brands. I mean, a lot of the brands makes very excellent rods. And as I said, I own Scott, I own Sage, I own Loomis. But I've always wanted to own one of these, and now I do. Now I actually own several. This is Winston, and Winston is one of the brands that are, you know, branded as the most beautiful, the lightest, and also some of the best trout rods out there. Actually, this Air 2, which I'm presenting here, just won the award at the IFTD, and I must say that award was earned. The Winston rods are really nice fishing rods. They cast well. They present the fly, in particular the Air 2, just amazingly. They're light, and then also they have this extra feel to it that Winston brings to the game, because a rod like this is a rod that has a soul, and you can feel the craftsmanship. You can see the craftsmanship in every single detail on one of the Winston rods. So I'm proud to present, I'm proud to announce that you can now get your next Winston rod from Nordic Anglers.